Hi, I'm Devin. Welcome to TRA Snow and Sun. We are solving problems related to rooftop avalanches through our snow retention system. Today we are going to talk about how to install our products, so let's get right to it.
Hello, Ben Anderson here with TRA Snow and Sun. Today we're going to be installing our D2HL deck mount. Tools you'll be needing: a drill with a 3/8 inch socket, a 3/16 inch Allen, a chalk line, a tape measure, and a grinder with a cutting disc or a hacksaw. Let's get started. Our D2HLs are designed to be installed into trusses or rafters. As a reminder, our rafters for this display are spaced at 16 inches on center. You can see we have mounted it with chalk line. If you do not hit your trusses or rafters, please restart. Find your rafters. Line your D2HL up with your chalk line. Make sure the nose is with the butt of your shingle, or make sure it's also wherever you placed your previous deck mount to line up your pipe. Thank you, Mindy. We have designed the D2HL for holes for your 1/4 inch SDS screws is the smaller one, and the 3/8 inch lag bolts with your larger one, 4 required for each bracket. If using 3/8 inch lag bolts, please make sure you pre-drill your holes so you don't blow out the sides of your rafter or truss. Follow by installing your pipe or your tube. And as a reminder, your collars need to be on the inside of your final structural deck mount. Every termination of pipe or deck mounts need not exceed 6 inches from the last deck mount. Take your 3/16 inch Allen wrench and tighten to 15 foot-pounds. Take your 2 end caps provided by TRA and simply insert into your tube. That concludes the install of our D2HL deck mount. If you have any questions, please consult TRA's engineered layout. Thank you.
You just learned how to install one of our many snow retention systems. We offer engineered snow retention layouts and quotes. For questions regarding your project, contact us at 800-606-8980 or sales@trasnowandsun.com, and we'll take care of the rest. Thanks for joining us.